If you're trying to hire world-class talent, or, if you're trying to become that talent, you are caught in a huge paradox right now.
Mm.
It's what's shaping the modern workplace. We're calling it the AI hiring conundrum.
And we're diving deep into the situation where the very tools applicants use to get their foot in the door, generative AI, are making it, well, almost impossible for companies to verify what candidates actually know.
What's the result?
The result is this epidemic of bad hires. And the really surprising part is that they're incredibly difficult to reverse once you've made that decision.
Okay, let's really unpack this because it sounds like it's becoming a systemic problem. To guide us, we're looking at insights from an expert with a genuinely unique background.
Yeah, this is someone who is both a corporate lawyer specializing in overseas exports and an IT master with 15 years of deep tech experience.
That's quite the combination.
And it's crucial to understand this isn't just theory for them. This person actually ran a specialized English editing business.
Right.
And their clients weren't just anybody. They were editing documents for applicants to Ivy League schools. We're talking Harvard, Johns Hopkins, Stanford, Yale, MIT.
Wow, and corporations too, right? Like Google and Amazon.
Exactly. So their whole career, for over a decade, was built on developing what they call a discerning eye for genuine high-level talent just from looking at text. They know what substance looks like on a page.
So our mission today is to analyze this huge shift.
It's a seismic shift. From a time when a candidate's effort, their character, really shown through their writing, to now where applicants are just, optimized for algorithms.
And we need to figure out what that means for quality control in any modern company.
Let's get into it.
So the source material kicks off by describing what the author calls the golden age of resumes, and it's based on their personal history. Their work in translation and proofreading started as a hobby.
Just a hobby, yeah. But it escalated really quickly. They ended up on these incredibly high-stakes, specialized projects.
What kind of projects are we talking about?
Well, think about the clients. You've got government agencies needing perfect overseas communication, editing the English website for a major company like YG Entertainment.
The K-pop agency.
The very same. And even polishing complex research papers for submission to elite SCI-level international journals. This is not just, fixing typos. It's about translating these really high-level, nuanced ideas into perfect English.
And I guess working across all those different fields is what developed that discerning eye you mentioned earlier. What did that eye actually see in a resume?
It was never about flashy design. It was all about the quality of the narrative and the visible effort. The author claims, and I believe it, that after editing thousands of these documents, they could literally predict a candidate's success just by scanning their document.
That's an amazing skill.
It is. They can sense the quality of the thinking, the precision in the writing, really the